The excitement around the OnePlus 15 is already through the roof, with many calling it the most ambitious flagship OnePlus has ever attempted. The OnePlus 13 had already set a high standard, but everything we're hearing suggests that the OnePlus 15 is going even bigger both in size and in overall impact. Many tech enthusiasts are already describing it as the ultimate flagship killer of 2025. According to trusted leaks, the phone will launch in 3 colors: absolute black, mist purple, and a brand new shade called Dune. Out of the 3, Dune seems to be the highlight and is expected to take center stage in all of OnePlus's marketing campaigns. Interestingly, the weight of the phone isn't identical across the models. The Dune variant is the lightest at 211 grams, while the absolute black and mist purple versions weigh in slightly heavier at 215 grams. This may feel like a tiny difference, but it's rare for details like this to surface so early. When it comes to design, OnePlus is said to be making a bold shift. Instead of sticking with the circular camera island that we saw on the OnePlus 13, the new phone is tipped to adopt a striking square-shaped camera module. This change alone will make the device instantly recognizable, clearly separating it from its predecessors and giving it a fresh, standout identity. The display is also shaping up to be one of its strongest selling points. Rumors point to a large 6.78-inch flat LTPO OLED panel. What's even more impressive is the refresh rate, an insane 165Hz, which is higher than what most flagship phones currently offer. That puts the OnePlus 15 inches serious gaming phone territory, promising ultra-smooth performance and responsiveness. As for the cameras, the leaks only add to the excitement. The phone is expected to pack a triple 50-megapixel setup, including a primary lens, a secondary lens, and a telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. What makes this even more interesting is OnePlus's teased in-house image engine called Detail Max. While it's still in development, if it debuts on the OnePlus 15, it could mark a significant leap forward for OnePlus photography, delivering sharper details and more advanced processing than ever before. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping leak, though, is about the battery. Early reports suggest the OnePlus 15 could feature a massive 7000 mAh battery, possibly even larger. This would be a huge upgrade from the already impressive 6000 mAh found in the OnePlus 13. With all of these features coming together, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. What do you think about these leaks? Are you excited about this device? Share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.